Reaction time. See it for another reaction time. Hello everyone. Today I'm reacting to Void Giant versus Snowstorm Warning. It was requested by Colonel Animations, and actually it's the same person who made that video. And I say okay. And by the way, I really want Day 73. Don't know. Let me show you. Oh yeah. I want Day 77, 73 and Snowstorm Warning because I want to really make a remake of Colonel Animations Giant Famine Royale 2. He released a sequel. So here's that. They're so cool. That's why I really wanted them. They're so cool. So, but yes, I know I'm really impatient, but that's the reason why I'm kind of a link beggar, because their skits are so amazing. Whoa. I want this in my animation. It looks so cool. But now I'm kind of a spoiled brat or something. Whatever, everything can work. Anyways, enough talking said. Let's watch. Okay, going so far. So cool. Okay. Oh, vanishing trick. Duh. Whew. Nearly. Rock boy. Ouch. That would hurt. Well, it didn't hurt. And plus, voice giant, a lot of people think it looks like breaking news. That's true. We can safely say, whoa, sorry. It was bigger. Well, you got a leg. That was it. Void Giant wins. Well, celebration tapping. That was amazing. That was a pretty cool animation. So, yeah, my opinions. Well, I like the well, it was great. The animation was kind of slow, but I still enjoyed it. And plus, it has some little quirks and plot twisters. Loved it. Sometimes I did add plot twisters to my MBCI 2 season episodes. Yes, it's taking longer. And by the way, after this video, you need to stop requesting stuff, because there's a lot of them. And I have like half a poof. Let me show you my inventory of requests. Here you go. There's only 2 for February the 21st, but there's a lot. Please stop requesting. Come on. I don't really appreciate your requests all the time. All the time. Reason why I don't like it, don't like you to be requesting, because it puts out there. Great. Peanut butter and sandwich with requests. I never enjoyed my life of animating. Please stop requesting. But to say it was a very good video. please give a little shout out to Color Now Animations for making great animations and making like a lot of praise of love. A lot of love. I was nice to him, and he's nice to me now. We're like BFFs. But don't worry, ever friends. You're all my friend. You're all my friends, but I don't like when you all give me requests. They all go to the request bin. Anyways, that was Snow Warning versus the Void Giant. Great. Anyways, if you're wondering what's the next episode, please let me know. It will be Orange Tentacles from Fog City. Am I pronouncing it right, or I'm missing some words? Versus Treehead. Oh boy, this is gonna be a doozy. Anyways, bye.